Cook your banana skins until it's like tagliatelle or pappardelle. Now then, those master reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we're mixing it up with...
I'm Sam. What are we cooking today?
Well, I'm going to make a discarded banana split, but I'm getting kind of thirsty already. Do you have a drink up your sleeve?
I've got the perfect drink for you. We're going to make some discarded espresso martinis. Everything you need after dinner.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
This recipe inspired by the most delicious liquid on planet Earth.
It certainly is.
And I'm going to basically make a banana split using the banana skins. Obviously we're going to use the banana and serve it with some ice cream, vanilla. It could be a vegan ice cream. This whole recipe can be completely vegan. It's not going to take very long at all. And I'm going to cook this in some syrup and then just lay it on these sheets and then just dry it out in the oven until it's like a brittle, a kind of caramelized banana skin brittle.
Crunchy, crispy, banana-y. That sounds awesome.
And then yesterday I soaked some raisins in that same rum, and we're going to ripple this through the vanilla ice cream.
Rum and raisin, you just can't go wrong. I think you're hitting every single delicious dessert buzzword you could possibly hit.
Absolutely.
And I'm here for it.
So it's dead easy. You just take the skins off, cook it in, this is just a 1-to-1 stock syrup, so 1 sugar, 1 water. Boil it for 1 minute, and then just lay it on these sheets, and then keep it in the oven at 120 degrees for an hour.
So it's just gonna soften it up, make it really crunchy, brittly.
Exactly, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. We don't want these stiff ridges, so you just boil it until it softens like that. So cook your banana skins until it's like tagliatelle or pappardelle.
Pappardelle, that's it.
120 for 1 hour. Beautiful. Just like that. See you later. So the Miso Caramel sugar, we're going to take that onto like a dark caramelized colour, just like this colour.
Oh.
And then here is just a little bit of miso, regular, it's like a dark miso, so the one that's been aged much longer. And I've just mixed it with an equal amount of water, just so it's more liquid.
Easier to work with, right?
And when that gets to this colour, we just whack it in, whisk it, done.
That easy?
That easy.
I think I'm going to be putting miso caramel on everything.
I know, yeah. It is that good. It goes with, a lot of good things. You know when the caramel's done, when it's the same colour as the discarded rum.
Oh, look at that.
Then, Sam, while it's hot, we get the miso in.
Nice.
It's going to make a bit of a splatter.
I mean, already.
Yeah, dynamite.
Oh. Oh, that's cheeky.
Very cheeky. Cheeky. We're nearly there now on this banana split recipe, would you believe it?
I'm constantly surprised.
My watch is saying drink o'clock.
I think so.
Yes.
I think so. Well, I think the perfect drink to go with this would be a little cheeky discarded espresso martini.
Yes, please.
This is a really easy way to make an espresso martini, and it's also a way of not using any ice, which we like.
Yes, we do.
Less waste. So we're going to start with some chilled, filtered water.
Yeah. Don't forget the water.
Exactly. Then we're going to move on to this. Now, this is a zero waste coffee liqueur. We made it using spent coffee grounds. It's incredibly easy to make. Got a separate video on it you can watch later. So what we're going to do is 25 ml of that per drink, so 50 ml in total. Same with the water, 25 ml per drink. This is just some coffee, 25 ml per drink as well. You'll notice that was quite sludgy.
That's all right.
I've frozen these beforehand,
Yeah.
which is why this works.
Yeah.
And then the main ingredient are little discarded grape skin vodka, going for 50 ml per drink. So we've got our nice chilled glasses here. Now this is where the magic happens. Get yourself a little stick blender, something to blend it in. So then
This is the
Look at that.
easiest espresso martini in the world.
Exactly.
Wow.
Absolutely creamy, stunning, and low waste to boot.
That is beautiful.
Awesome.
Beautiful. Let's cheers that.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright.
This really thin crystal.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When do we stop cheersing? Whenever you
I mean, that is bloody delightful.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but that texture you can get just by blending is crazy.
Yeah, I love how it's slowly separating.
The cascade. Like on a lovely pint of something brown.
Yeah, it's very elegant. It's the most elegant espresso martini, which doesn't normally happen, right?
No.
It's always a bit like trashy. This is not trashy.
No, I mean this is.
Excuse the pun.
This. I mean, there's trash involved.
Yeah, there's
for our,
good trash, bad trash.
our transatlantic cousins.
Yeah.
We prefer a bit of rubbish over here.
So we're going with slightly trashy.
Slightly trashy.
Slightly trashy espresso martini.
I'll drink to that.
All right. Well, now we've got a drink. It's time for
Yeah, I think those bananas might be ready.
splitting the banana in two. Okay, so an hour and a little bit later, our banana skins have now crisped up.
That's a good sound.
We've baked, what is it, a pineapple? No, this is a banana. This is a banana. All we're gonna do is pop this crispy banana in a little whizzer.
Which is just a little herb grinder kind of thing.
Yeah, just a little herb grinder. You
Easy.
could do it in a pestle and mortar, you could chop it with a knife. Split it.
I mean, that's got to be done, right?
Gotta be done.
Otherwise, what are we even doing here?
Get your, and then like
You weren't lying when you said lathering.
lather.
Yeah.
No one likes a thin slick of miso caramel on. So it looks stunning, like really beautiful.
That is. It's like a banana skin brittle crumb.
Yeah, exactly.
That's going to taste delightful.
And the good thing is you can do this when you do a big batch of smoothies or something. You can like just save all the banana skins and do a big batch of it.
Oh, then you just got little banana skin dust for all your needs.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just going to take some of the rum soaked discarded raisins, put it into our vanilla ice cream, and just chop it in. Right, please, my friend, do the honors.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's so good. I mean, that is the banana, the whole banana and nothing but the banana, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
You really get it coming through in the ice cream with that like banana rum. That miso caramel is amazing.
It's dynamite.
That is great.
Banana Eclipse.
It's a total banana eclipse of the heart.
Oh, good catch. Jedi. You not only know how to make a drink, but you're a Jedi Knight.
And that is the end of this BANANAS transmission.